You care about her, right?
Yeah.
So, baby, what's your concern?
I'm just worried that you've changed a lot from high school.
What were you saying?
Talking Jesus too.
At the beach. Thousand wishes. Is it new, this dry shampoo? There's shampoo and conditioner as well.
Just download the app or ask an associate.
£12. How much were they?
$5.25 for the 16 ounce with caramel, and I think that were about 4 something.
So they're like Starbucks prices.
Yeah, but I think they've made them better. There's not just half a cup of froth.
Well, when you took the lid off for that, it was like full to top as well in it. So we'll see what it tastes like. See if they're nice and creamy.
Really good. I actually think this is better than Starbucks. Dutch Brothers.
I like it just as well. I think it's about the same, mine. I think it tastes just similar to Starbucks.
Yeah. I don't know.
Although I've got it's brown sugar that I've got in mine. I normally have it a little bit sweeter than that, so it might be...
The caramel flavour is not as... Sometimes when you get caramel in Starbucks, it can be a little bit kind of weird flavouring. Bit artificial. I know it's artificial, but tastes artificial. That tastes better. Tastes like it's meant to be.
It's smoother.
Mm.
Going in pop shelf.
Yep.
Something has happened.
This is hospitals here.
There's all ambulances over there.
Look.
That's like there's a lot of traffic, isn't there?
Yeah. Rob Zombie's Dragula car. There's some video from song in it.
Is it?
Yeah.
The actual one? Is it for sale or is it?
Don't know.
Photo one.
Don't know. Look at that. You got banned all this stuff. I didn't know it was as big as this.
I didn't. Look at these cameras. It's one of them ones.
Yeah. Vintage film.
It's like an house, isn't it?
stuff. Oh yeah, Native American.
Yeah. That's like the one in America.
Tom's bought it.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. 1992.
Hey, I found my new coffee cup.
Got stuff from Shrek. Yeah, look, Iron Maiden cage.
Oh yeah.
And glasses. 3D glasses.
This is all from it as well, isn't it?
Backward.
These
And this.
panels and stuff. Original prop.
That's from Ulster.
Piano. Haunted Mansion piano.
And what?
Onion sandwich.
Full.
Diners, drive-in and dive. That was the dive part of the three. But only in improvements because it was very clean.
Yeah.
Which is all you need really from a food place.
And toilets were clean.
Toilets were spotless, tables were spotless, cutlery were spotless, and food were good. Very good, in fact.
What is it? Red Top.
Red Top Pit Stop at Lakeland. Very authentic, I would
But
say that.
it's got good reviews, hasn't it?
Yeah, TripAdvisor, it's second restaurant in Lakeland on TripAdvisor. And you can kind of, and it got a good review on the website as well about.
And what burger did you get?
I got Trump's the Boss, or maybe Trump the Boss, one of them, which was half a pound of beef and brisket on top with cheese. And I watched him kind of make the burger, and it was just like a piece of meat, just
It was every
slapped.
burger.
Definitely a half a pound. Yeah, it was some weight to that. And made properly as well, none of this thin stuff you get from some fast food places.
What do you think of mine?
Yours look really good. The
Club
bit I
sandwich.
tasted, yeah, the turkey were really nice in that.
It was loaded, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at these.
Just passing a load of cows, which is weird because I've just eaten one.
Some young ones.
I'd give that a solid 8. Good 8. Near Lakeland Antique Mall, so it's a good place to go if you're visiting Lakeland Antique Mall for a bit of authentic American diner food.
Where do you want this bubble wrap? I'll leave it there for now. Just showing this, what we're making. Birthday cake with us.
This is a different brand.
Graham. Bases. I think that's what it is. And there's corn dogs to have in a minute.
For thermoset, refrigerate for 30 minutes.
He just add 2 cups of milk and then that. And then whisk it.
Whisk it. That's it.
They look like little custards. So it thickens up in fridge.
Yeah. Yeah, it should set.
It smells nice. Christmas eggnog. And lactose free. Put you some sauce on. Now it's rolling it.
Saves me a job.